Hello comrades, this is Transnistria speaking, or we have a Russian name of the country, Pridnestrovie. And today we had a great journey with Damla, a photographer from Istanbul, Turkey, and her impressions to the audience.
Oh, actually, I spent 3 wonderful days here. Tiraspol doesn't exist, the country, but don't be afraid to come here because it's really safe. People are very friendly. He's very funny as well. We enjoy too much. Just come and enjoy here with Lenin.
Yeah, with Lenin. We definitely will see Lenin if we visit Transnistria. You just cannot skip him.
Yeah, everything's perfect, really. Thank
Okay.
you.
Join the tour. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.